Hello everyone! Today we have a surprise for you. Today we are going to be unboxing magic bouncy balls.
Guys, did you know it is for 8 plus years per times 7?
So guys, I am helping her and we will be together making a bouncy magic ball. So Asheen, are you ready?
I'm super ready.
So guys, let's dive in. So guys, we have taken off the plastic covering and now we're going to be...
Okay, I'll do it. Da-da-da-da!
Finally, it's open. Oh my god.
Did you know it has 6 colors and how many molds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 molds. Oh my god. I'm so...
So guys, these are the 4 molds provided within this kit.
No, there
These
are
are
5
some packets to store.
There
Here
are
are some
5
colors.
There is 5 molds.
And then there's a cover for one.
No, there's cover for keeping bouncy balls, right guys? I have never played this game. It makes us better, right? Like you are doing a Hindi question.
So guys, what we are going to be
Oh,
doing?
I can remember. Yes.
Guys, these are for like storing them. We're going to be, these are the molds and we're trying to put them together. So we're going to be pouring these colors into it. And after
Maybe I
that,
want this one. This one is cool.
okay, Hershey, find the other one. We are going to be pouring this and we're going to be filling it up to the top. After that, we are going to be swirling them in warm water and then soak for 10 minutes. Then let it sit for 10 minutes. So this is going to take a lot of time, like 20 minutes at least. And then when we're going to open it, it will be a super cute bouncy ball. And we can store them in these containers to keep them from drying out.
Guys, it is worth the time. I get to play with bouncy, bouncy, bouncy balls.
So guys, we have picked these 2 colors. This is Harsheen's favorite color, this is my favorite color. So guys, we are going to be putting this and then we're going to be shaking it gently. So guys, the next thing we are going to do is going to shake gently so that it gets spread in all places. Okay Harsheen? You want to spread?
Yeah.
Just shake a little bit gently. थोड़ी और जोर से हल्का सा done. So guys, as you can see now it's all like spread over here. Now
Look at the holes, guys. This is the sign.
So guys, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to be getting some hot water. So guys, let's go to the kitchen.
Swirl.
Let's go. Guys, as you can see, I'm going to be swirling it in warm water and then we're going to let it soak for 10 minutes.
Can I have it?
After a while, Hershey.
Okay.
Right now it's not ready.
I
Now
thought
let's
we
let it soak
put
for
it in the
10
freezer.
minutes. Let's start the timer now. So guys, we'll meet you in 10 minutes. So guys, just look at this awesome result. It is a perfect combination of bright and vibrant colors to it. So guys, how much is cost, Hershey?
320.
So guys, this is definitely worth the hype. Please go check it out and buy it. Request your parents to buy it because this
Don't
is
forget to
awesome.
like
Subscribe.
and share with your friends and
Bye everyone.
family. Bye.
Thanks for watching.